Get to the library's web page. The Search Almost Everything box enables users to find physical books, DVDs, and reserve items, as well as electronic books and full-text articles. Let's say we want to find only full-text articles on the relationship between video games and violent behavior by teenagers. From the Start Here box, pull down the menu and choose Articles. Then enter the keywords or phrases for your search. In this case, our initial search terms would be video games, violence, and teenagers. Remember, it's always a good idea to link the keywords or concepts in your search with the connector word AND. When using this database, it is important to put AND in capital letters. Hit Search. If you are accessing the link from off-campus, you will be prompted to enter your Alfred State College username without the @alfredstate.edu and your password. We retrieved over 3,800 items. We retrieved so many articles because we are looking simultaneously through many library databases. The Refine Results choices on the left allow the user to limit results in a variety of ways. Our results reflect the fact that we are searching for the occurrence of our terms in just about any part of the entry, the title or the subject, or even possibly the title of the magazine or journal. This is often a good way to begin a search. But here is how to do a better, more focused search. Click on the Advanced Search link. Notice that all of our search words are on the same line. Let's give each search concept its own line. We can add additional lines if needed. When using the advanced search mode, we can specify how and where our terms appear in the entry. Let's specify that the term video games, which we'll put in quotes to keep the words together, should appear in the subject line of our results. Searching by subject will help focus our results. Notice that all of our terms are now connected with the word AND. That means they all have to be present in our results. Using AND to connect terms limits results. But here's a thought. What if some authors refer to violence among teenagers and others wrote about violent behavior? What if some use the word aggression or aggressive behavior? How can we account for these possibilities? A smart searcher will now employ the connector word OR as shown in this example, and will use an asterisk to search on a word stem. Using OR between similar words or concepts will provide more flexibility and will expand results. We can do the same for the word teenagers by changing it to teen with an asterisk, and then adding OR adolescent, which will retrieve variations of these words. Let's redo the search. This search retrieved over 2,000 results, less than before, but still too many to deal with. But if we make the word stems for violence or aggression searched as subjects and redo the search, we retrieve just over 500 results, fewer but more focused. Using the Refine Results options, results may be sorted and narrowed down in a variety of ways, including by relevance or date, by whether the article is peer-reviewed, by subject emphasis, etc. Clicking on the title reveals more information. This is the toolbar. It enables you to create a citation to the article, to print, to email, or to download a permanent link to the article. To access the full text, just follow the links. Most links will include a PDF version of the article. To save some of your results, just sign into the database with your Alfred State credentials. You may pin your desired results into a favorites file for later use. Signing into the system also allows you to see your borrowing record.